If RSI sounds like a mystery or you don't know what overbought and oversold means, well, this video is for you. I'll explain how RSI works and I'll show you how I use it on Olymp Matix. Well, what is RSI? RSI means Relative Strength Index, and it's a momentum oscillator designed to measure the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100, and it's commonly used in technical analysis to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. So there are two key levels that we actually focus on the RSI, which is the 70 and the 30. With the 70 level, this level indicates that an asset might be overbought. If the RSI crosses above the 70, it suggests that a price might be due for a price reversal. Then there's the 30 level. A level below 30 indicates that an asset might be oversold. When the RSI dips below 30, it suggests that an asset might be undervalued and may experience a price increase. So how does the RSI help? Firstly, the RSI helps in spotting reversals. When the RSI is at extreme levels above 70 or below 30, it signals a potential price reversal. For example, if a stock's RSI is at 75, it might be a good time to sell, anticipating a price drop. Secondly, the RSI helps in confirming trends. During a strong trend, the RSI can help confirm its strength. For instance, if a stock is trending upwards and the RSI remains above 50, it supports the idea that an uptrend might likely to continue. So real examples are, a stock price rises sharply, pushing the RSI above 70, traders may start selling, expecting a pullback, which eventually happens. In example 2, another stock price falls, driving the RSI below 30. Investors might see it as a buying opportunity, leading to a rebound in price as demand increases. So by understanding RSI, traders can make more informed decisions about when to enter or exit positions based on market conditions. Alright guys, so we're now inside the Olymp AI trading robot web application, and how do you even set up the RSI? So you just go to the robot side, and then on technical indicator there, you're gonna be having a lot of options, and you're just gonna be choosing RSI, right? And then if you want the RSI to show also on your preferred charts, you just go to this option there, and then you click on RSI, right? So you click RSI, and then it's gonna be there for you, right? And then you can then choose your initial trading capital risk, and then you can say this is our demo. So then you just start the robot like that. So this is a demo, and yeah man, let's see how it works. So for sure it's gonna give us a sell, right? Because you can see that the RSI is overbought right now, right? It's over the 70% level. So you can see that the robot is still searching for a signal, and yeah, it's so that okay, let's sell this. So and then it's gonna be doing the most, and let's see how it works, right? But then eventually it's gonna move, but then let's just see this one and how it goes. But then you can clearly see that when the market was overbought and then it eventually came down, right? Just that you cannot time this, maybe let's say when, but then with using the AI robot, it's gonna give you even more confidence in knowing when, because the AI does its mathematical calculations to find the best, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, so you can also practice this on your own using a demo, and as you can see right there, that was a very beautiful winner that was taken by the robot using the RSI indicator, you know what I'm saying? So that is pretty much amazing, man. So do try this out yourself, man, and it's gonna be lit, man, because the robot just takes the trades based on the RSI now, making sure that your RSI is selected there. Alright, and also you can just have it on the chart just to give you a visual representation of where the market is moving, and the levels as well, you know what I'm saying, and the levels as well, and everything is going to be good. But what is nicely about this, you can also see the levels there, right? As the RSI is moving, it's going to show there, and as I was explaining in the video which levels were actually preferring trades, it's usually when it's above the 70 and when it's below the 30, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, with this said, let's continue with the video. So guys, that was it. We're done with the amazing trading session using the RSI Anyways, so why is RSI great for beginners? RSI is user-friendly and easy to understand, making it perfect for new traders. It provides clear signals on when to buy or sell based on market conditions. So how does Olymp Matix help? Olymp Matix simplifies the RSI by integrating it into their trading platform, whereby it's going to be used in the trading robot and just makes informed decisions for you. What you just do, you just watch and see what happens, but then the decisions are made based on the AI. So everything is done for you, no emotions involved, you just watch and lets the Olymp Matix robot do the things for you. So before diving into trading, it is wise to practice on a demo account. This allows you to get comfortable with using the RSI and develop your skills without risking real money. So as you end, using RSI with tools like Olymp Matix can enhance your trading strategy. So start practicing today and build your confidence for future trades. So guys, with that said, if you want to keep learning step-by-step indicators and strategies, subscribe and check the pinned comment for the link to Olymp Matix to try it yourself.